Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Here's Kirsten, she loves those ballet shoes. Ballet shoes. She dances belly dance. Belly, not ballet. I hope this is a great joke. It's still fucking great. Like I said, a long intro. I think everyone should get a second chance. Kirsten over here loves to belly dance. And when she does, it's quite a trip. Yeah, she really knows how to work those hips. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Belly dancing, belly dancing, oh belly dancing, bless you. Belly dancing, oh belly dancing, but you know I like logistics too.